Okay. Good evening, everyone. How are you today?
Fine,
Good
Miss.
evening.
Good
Fine,
evening,
miss. Fine,
Miss.
miss.
Okay, I hope you're doing great. Before we start, let's pray together according to our belief. Okay, today we're going to learn speaking, listen, entitled "What Do You Want to Be in the Future?" By the end of the to the lesson, you will be able to talk about your future dream confidently in English. So before we begin, I like to ask you one simple question. If you could choose any job in the world, what would you like to be?
Streamer, Miss.
Pilot, pilot,
Yang lain, pilot,
pilot,
trim, terus?
streamer, streamer,
Streamer,
Kan?
streamer, Miss.
streamer gaming,
Oh,
miss.
that's interesting. Okay, so let's begin. Look at this slide. Uh, when we're children, mm, ma- uh, many of dream becoming superhero, astronauts, and as grow older, our dream might change because of our interest and experience. Now, I'd like you to ask another question. Do you still have the same dream as when you were a child? Yes or no?
No, Miss. When I was a child, I want to be a pilot. Now I want to be a gamer.
Oh, very
Oh,
nice.
nice, nice, Radit.
Today we learn how to express those dream in English. Okay, so slide 3, please. Okay, before learning, let's look at our objective. So today we learn to first identify different occupation in English, second express our future dreams, third give reason why we choose that career, and finally explain what we'll do to achieve our dream. They're a simple but very useful speaking skill. Next slide. So now let's learn some occupation. So this is a doctor. A doctor treat sick people. Next, a teacher teach teach student. A pilot files or plans. A game developer create video games. A chef cook delicious food. And finally, a scientist conducts research and discovering new things. Okay, now I ask you, what does a chef do, Rizky?
A chef cooks delicious food.
Okay, excellent. So what does a pilot do?
A pilot flies airplane.
Okay, good job. Next slide. Okay, when we talk about our future dreams, we usually ask this question. What do you want to be in the future? What do you want to become? What how will you achieve your dream? And these are the answer. I want to be. I like to become. My dream is to become. I hope to become because I will. I'm going to. So please repeat after me. Um, I want to be.
I
I want
want
to.
to be.
I like to become.
I
I
like to
like to
become.
become. Oh,
My dream is to become.
My dream
my
is to
dream
become.
is to become.
I hope to become.
I
I
hope
hope
to
to
become
become
Because
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 I will.
I
I
will.
will.
I'm going to.
I'm
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 going
going
to.
going to.
to.
Oh,
Okay, very good. Okay, next slide.
Hebat kamu ya, Radit.
Now let's learn how to build a complete answer. So there are three important parts. First, your dream. I want to be a doctor. Second, your reason. Because I love helping people. Third, your plan. I will study hard and enter medical school. So your sentence became, I want to be a doctor because I love helping people. I will study hard to achieve my dream. So easy, right? Next slide.
Mana ini? Ini.
Okay, now let's read the dialogue together. Can anyone read Kanaya and Rizky?
Sure,
No.
sure, Miss.
Yeah.
Let's go, let's go.
What do you want to
Let's.
be in the future?
I like to become a game developer
Why do you want to become a game developer?
because I enjoy technology and I want to create games that people can enjoy.
How will you achieve your dream?
I will learn programming, improve my English, and practice coding every day.
Okay. Good job, everyone. Thank you for helping me read a text. So after we're reading, can you identify the three parts? So risky. What is the risky dream?
Game developer
Good. Why?
because he enjoys technology.
Okay. What his plan?
Learn programming, improve English, practice coding.
Excellent. Okay. Next slide.
Woi, Radit.
Okay, now it's your turn because we're using Zoom. I put the into pair using breakout room. So one student becomes the interviewer and the other becomes the interview. Please ask this three question. What do you want to be in the future? What do you want to become that? How will you achieve your dream? So remember to answer the complete sentence. So let's begin.
Okay, Radit.
What do you want to be in the future?
My dream is to become a doctor. Wow, Rizky ini multi talenta ya.
Why do
Lanjut.
you want to become that?
Because I want to help sick people.
How will you achieve your dream? Your dream.
I will study hard and go to medical school.
Okay. Okay, wonderful. Thank you for sharing, guys. Next slide.
Wow, Rizky.
Diem jauh diem.
Okay. This is what we do before my dream is become because I will. So we skip this part and let's the final slide. Next slide. Okay, before we finish, let's remember one important message. Your future starts with the dreams you have today. So keep dreaming, keep learning, and keep improving every day. Today we learn how to identify occupation, express future dreams, give a reason, and expand our plans. So does anyone have any question before we end today's lesson?
No, miss.
Okay, if there are no more questions, thank you very much for your participation today. Stay healthy, keep practicing your English, and see you next class. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye
Goodbye,
everyone.
miss.
Good day,
Miss.
Miss. Goodbye, guys. Thanks.